Hey everyone, I thought today I would start by making a quick video. I'm at home right now, not on the university campus, but one of the things I wanted to talk about, which I was rereading, was a paper called Cosmic Terrorist, and it was about the Nemesis theory. Now, to give you some background, the Nemesis theory was a theory developed in 1984 that said that we periodically, every 26 million years, have a mass extinction event. And what was recorded, and this paper was actually sent to one of the leading physicists, Dr. Alvarez, Luis Alvarez, who was one of the people who discovered that what killed the dinosaurs was actually an asteroid with a limestone layer. And when the theory came out, people were completely skeptical of him regarding the death of the dinosaurs. They thought, oh, this is completely ridiculous, this is not enough evidence, and some people called him a complete nut, despite the fact that in '68 he won the Nobel Prize in Physics. And then people were sending him this paper that, oh, hey, we noticed that there's a periodic mass extinction every 26 million years. And it was a completely surprising theory. I remember and if you read the paper, Cosmic Terrorist, you see the kind of mindset that goes through people. They say, oh, well, this is a completely ridiculous theory. It's either completely false or a complete revolution in physics. And that's usually what it comes down to. People have no idea what's going on. And you hear the scientists arguing, they're saying, let's run the numbers again. Let's double check the data because it looks so ridiculous. And ultimately, what came about was the idea that you actually have a sun that's another um, star that's orbiting just past the Oort cloud, and every 26 million years, it pulls from the Oort cloud and causes the rotation to pull a meteor towards Earth and hit it. And this event is very rare for all the things to align. It happens about once every 26 million years. And that's when all our mass extinctions happen. So that was one of the theories that really came out of this. Well, not theories, it was a hypothesis. And it was an early model that kind of came along. And when you read the paper, again, it's called Cosmic Terrorist. When you Google it, it's the first thing you'll read. You start to see how interesting a lot of these ideas were, and the debate that scientists go through when they hear this idea, wondering if it's crazy, wondering if it's rational, wondering if it's obvious, and so on and so forth. So it's always amazing to see what these people think and what they believe when they first are confronted with new ideas, and just completely argue against it, say this is complete BS and da 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 da. That's what happens with a lot of things. Usually because it's like, we have had so many years of research that led up to this. This would completely overturn all of it. And it would shatter a lot of broken models. So it's interesting to read when people are first discovering these theories, how ridiculous they find them, how they're completely confronted by it. And you see a little bit of that in the paper with what the scientists are saying. So when you get the chance, definitely read it. I'll put a link in the description below.